Um, my birth name is my birth name, right? My birth name is Tayal Salimo. Born in Carson, California. I travel with Guns N' Roses. My formula to doing security work is we've been doing security work for years, right? We've been taking care of our elders. We've been taking care of the churches. We've been taking care of everybody our whole life. Now we're just getting paid to do this job, right? So because I've had COVID, I'm still coughing up a lot of saliva from my lungs, and the doctors just don't know how long that'll be, how long I had COVID pneumonia. I finally went in after my wife pleading me and begging me to go in for 4 or 5 days maybe, because thank God for my wife, because I probably would have never went in. My oxygen levels were very low. The day I decided to go in was Thanksgiving Day, but Thanksgiving Day is going to be a day I will never forget, because that was the last day I even saw my dad alive. Was Thanksgiving Day. COVID it attacks your respiratory system. I think that's what got my little brother, because I lost my dad and my little brother to COVID last year, 10 days apart. Losing my mom, my dad, it's a natural thing. I've always been training my mind and my brothers and sisters for my mom and dad. If something was to happen to them, we have to stay, be ready for that. It's a part of life. I don't ever want to think that I was the reason why my brother and my dad got sick, but my little brother got sick from work at LAX, because he worked for Alaskan Airlines. Him living at home at my parents' house, and unbeknownst to Chubbs, he didn't know that he had COVID. He just thought he was sick. And then when he passed away, there was a lot of things that were said at his memorial service that I had no idea that he did. But one of the biggest things that's crazy for me was when one of his best friends, at his memorial, told a story of how my little brother told a college recruiter, that he's never gonna leave Carson, because he just got a job and he's gonna take care of my mom and dad. But I want you guys to go call my friend that played with me on the other side of the line and give him the scholarship, because he needs it and he'll take it. Yeah, so losing my dad and my brother 10 days apart, and not being able to, see them sucks. We got the phone call from the doctors the night my little brother passed away, which was December 14th. They only allowed two of us to go over there. My sister Fa and my little brother Tiso were the only ones that the family voted to go. And saying goodbye through a phone was, it's just not the same. And then having to do it 10 days later, and having to have like a family vote on whether or not we're gonna let my dad live or pull the plug on him. It's something that I don't wish upon anybody ever. Having to say goodbye to your loved ones through a camera, it's not the same as being able to hold their hand and saying goodbye. Even saying goodbye, because of COVID is something crazy that I would never wish upon anybody. If I could say anything to anybody about this COVID thing, about taking the vaccine or anything else, do what you think is best for you and your family.